Alright guys, back at it with the second video. Now today we're not going to be working on Nick's G. We are going to be well, we might actually be working on it, but today we're going to be working on the 350Z. I got a couple of parts ready for me for IA just in time from SickSpeed. Thanks SickSpeed for my sponsorship. They sent me a whole package full of things. If you guys want to go check them out, I'm going to put a title on the top. SickSpeed.com. You guys can buy things for lots of cars. They sell wheel locks, stickers, license plate frames, and a lot more that I don't. There's so much to buy on that website. Shift knobs, etc., etc. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video that I'm about to show you guys, I'm going to say this again at the end. Go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up for me please, and let's go ahead and get started. It's already 4 o'clock. Daylight savings just happened, so we have some time to pretty much work on this, but let's not let it get too dark. Shouldn't be that hard, but I'm going to show you guys in this next clip what we'll be installing to Luke today. Now let's see what we got in this box here. I've already opened to make sure everything's okay for this video. But this is not SickSpeed. This is something else you guys will see later on, probably next week. All the way over here. Anyways, here goes what we're going to be installing today. Simple stuff. I don't have 2 license plate frames, so we'll be just putting on one. We have the SickSpeed license plate frame. Ooh, what's this? Another something. Which you guys will also be seeing that's not from SickSpeed. In here, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's see if I can do it in one hand. Whoa. Whoops. Definite whoops. Whoops number 3. Ouch. Just tore this open up. We have SickSpeed stickers. Put these down in these 2 styles. Or 3 styles, I believe. I don't know. And here go our SickSpeed stickers. They came out of this envelope. And my favorite that they've given me is SickSpeed spike wheel lugs, which is one of the things that we'll be changing in here today. Also, they have a lanyard somewhere in this package that I will now be rocking instead of my bootlegged lanyard I have now, and this jet tag, which might become a toe strap when I get something this summer, which will look really nice. So you guys, I hope you guys stay in tune for that. It's gonna be really awesome. That also, if we have time today, I bought something else amazing, and that is some interior lights. One of my lights in my car does not work, and we also have one for the license plate frame. Came in, so we're gonna be changing those as well. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get started now. I'm excited. Let's do this. Guys, we gotta go ahead and get started. Out with the in, out, no, what? Out with the old, in with the new. So one of the important things that you gotta make sure is that these don't cross thread. And basically what cross threading is, imagine something not fitting correctly and then it goes over something. So in that word, we'll be saying that it's going over the thread. And if it goes over the thread, it's gonna end up stripping it, which is definitely not something you wanna do to your wheels, because that could cause a potential fallout, a break of the actual stud for the wheel, and cause either just messing up your car or a serious accident, which will result in death or injury. So I check to make sure they fit correctly, and if they go in smoothly, and if it does, then you're good. So now that we can see these are on we're going to put the wheel back on with these on, of course. And now you have a special lock tool that you will have to use to take them off. And these are it right here. We're going to use these with a wrench add-on, and we're going to tighten this car down, and we're going to put them all together. I'm not going to show every single wheel, but you're going to see the end result after this. So the next part, I guess they had these seals that you put on these before you put on the spikes. So I'm gonna do that next. About an hour later, got all bolts down and I'm ready to drop. 3, 2. Look straight. I already seen it for the last 50 minutes. It looked kind of pink, a lighter red, almost pink. What you think?
I don't see the paint.
I might be colorblind.
It's a lighter red, but it's not. I don't see the paint.
True. All right, the next step for us is the license plate frame. I've been wearing this license plate frame for a while. I have SickSpeed to send me one, and this one's just not cutting it anymore. The dirt gets in and gets trapped inside and makes the plate look non-white and whatever. I'm not gonna wipe off the plate now because I'm not washing the car, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on the SickSpeed license plate frame and remove this plastic covering, and this should look a whole lot better to me than what it does now. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys how to put it on. It's pretty stupid because it's only 2 bolts. It's like squeezing a lemon, right? Guys, looking a whole lot better. Have the SickSpeed logo on there now. Oh no, looking pretty nice. Car's out. Spikes. Now, I think the last thing we're gonna do today will be the interior lights and license plate lights. We're gonna start with the license plate lights first and go ahead and do the interior lights. That shouldn't be too hard. And I'm gonna actually go research it because I've never done it before and I don't want to break any of the plastics. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit. So pretty much what you have to do, you're gonna need your finger and this flathead. This is technically not a flathead. I suggest the one that doesn't have this that can come off. But there is a clamp that's gonna be on the right side of the first one and also on the right side of this other one. And what you want to do with the flathead is put it in and pull this at the same time. See, I knew this was with this. I need a regular flat. Wow. Alright, so what you guys basically do is pull on this and also try to pull it out at the same time. Here goes the thing I was talking about. You have to use this flathead for. Pull it down. Comes right down. Take out the headlight for it. You just turn it. Comes right out. This is the cover. This here should have, I forget if it's a clip or not. You just pull it. There goes the old bulb. We're gonna keep it just in case. Make sure when you're putting in any bulb not to have your hands oily on them. it can cause a premature light failure, which is basically the bulb dying. So I'm gonna go get the new bulb. I don't know what it looks like yet, which one it is, because it came on one instruction. Yeah. Let's do this. So here goes the package lights I showed you guys earlier. I believe it should be this here. So let's see what happens. I'll plug this in here. Alright, I'm gonna test it. Bright white. And there goes the first one. So the first bright white LED light. I'm gonna do the same thing on the second side, and maybe later on tonight I will show you guys how this looks. Put it on and then it's on. So I'll get back to you. Next part is for this is changing out the trunk lights here. So pretty much right here, all you have to do is go from this side right here, and you're gonna pry just like this. You will pry anything else, and that will come off. And there goes the bulb. I don't want to touch it, it's kind of hot. We're gonna disconnect it. Hopefully that stays hanging there because I don't have it full. Alright guys, it pretty much comes out. I was having difficulties because I didn't want to break the bulb, but you can just pull it right out and it should come out. Alright, next I'm going to go choose which bulb I'm going to use for the inside of this car. I believe the trunk. No, of course, these are the only ones I have left. So since it's going to be purple, we're going to have these new LEDs to have for this. Gonna plug that right on in, like so. Should be good. Then, no, don't go out there. Careful. Then we're gonna just plug that right in. Well, I don't see any light, unless the trunk's been open too long. We're gonna close the trunk and then reopen it. Absolutely freaking nothing. So, oh, there it goes. Getting feedback. I put it in the wrong way, guys. And there goes our purple light for the trunk. Now, all you gotta do is pull this and go in reverse, and there goes your purple light for your trunk. We're not gonna see a difference now, but we're definitely gonna see a major difference later. So now let's go ahead and move on to the front lights. So with this light, what you need to do is pry 4 ways. So what I did is I pry it this way first, pry it this way second, and this third, pull a little bit, and this casing should come right off. Next, we're going to install, there's a bulb here. There's a bulb right in between here. There's a bulb right here in between it. And that's what's powering. This side doesn't work, so it's about time for that change. But all we're gonna do now is plug that bulb in here, and we're going to be able to receive some power. I'm gonna take it out now. It should be a pull. Pull on pull. Just not Not try using your pry tool without pulling on the glass too much, and it should come out like this. Here goes your bulb. Now we're gonna install the new one, the LED purple one, in place of where the other one was. All you gotta do is snap it back in place. Let's see if that works. Got it. And now we have purple lighting inside the cabin of the vehicle. Next, we're gonna do this side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. I do the reverse of everything that you've done for it. Well, actually, it doesn't matter because it just pops right back in. There goes the first purple light. Now we're gonna do the second. Okay. Now, last but not least, oh, we actually have 2 more lights, and I wonder where those go. I forget. No, one light goes here. To the visor. Give me one moment, and I'm gonna find out how to take this off, and I'm gonna show it to you guys because I don't know what I'm doing. So for this, guys, I'd recommend you guys use a card to get in between this light. So what I'm doing here is that I'm just sliding the card under until I can pry it out. There we go. There's the light. Same process, same thing. Just take out the light with. I'm just trying to find the way to grip it without breaking it. To help me. Like so. Very tricky. Here goes the old one. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in the new one. It's dumb bright. Oh, I was blinding. Oh my gosh. Here we go. New vanity lights in. Where does this go in again? Where did I park from? So we're gonna try this right back in. On. Maybe it's not this way. Maybe it's the other way. No, it's definitely this way. One light in. Very bright. Actually, almost too bright. Now comes the second part. And I won't show you guys how I took this one off, but here goes you guys before and after. Bright white, purple. Well, not purple. Brown, dingy light. Alright guys, and here's the finished product. We have the lights here looking way brighter than they were before. And now the purple lights just shining ever so nicely in this beautiful car up here. Like to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm pretty much done with what I'm gonna do and prepping for IA today. I almost fell, by the way, but you guys will be seeing me at IA this next coming Saturday. If you guys like the video and what I did today, go ahead and hit that big thumbs up and subscribe, please. I will be posting more content more often. You know, I haven't posted anything in a long while, but thanks for watching. Peace.